Another interesting topic in regards to procurement is predictive analytics. And therefore, I can show you now this demo data of some raw material. You can collect data from external sources that can provide you with past developments of raw material prices, and the integrated artificial intelligence will calculate with the help of machine learning and neural networks a likely outcome how the price will develop in the future. Based on that, we can also compare this information with indirect material. We assume now that we gonna calculate the future prices of laser scanning services for a legal entity and a date that would apply for this calculation, so a region and a time frame. You would decide for certain cost drivers and the dependencies of these raw materials to this product you want to purchase. You're gonna calculate an average price that is the price for this product at the moment. And then you would get, the system will give you a deviation between the price nowadays and the future price of the product.